What's the meaning of alacrity? Alacrity. 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 Alacrity.
The word alacrity means a cheerful willingness or eagerness to do something. It suggests a sense of readiness and promptness. When someone acts with alacrity, they are quick to respond to a task or request, and they do so with enthusiasm and energy. This can be seen in their brisk movements and positive attitude. People who demonstrate alacrity are often admired for their efficiency and effectiveness, and they tend to inspire others to work with similar dedication and commitment. Overall, the term connotes a sense of vitality and enthusiasm in carrying out one's responsibilities.